Laser. Last time we checked, we got our broken bolt out. So we're getting ready to put the water pump housing back. Did get the correct O-ring seal for in here. So we are ready to rock. Next step is gonna be bolting that back on the block. Right, got our hose all hooked back up. Water pump all back on. Getting our big aluminum bracket back. Now you gotta remember down in here, there's a little aluminum spacer that goes in there that you shouldn't never take off. And then there's also the bottom bolt. You need to make sure you have liquid Teflon or silicone on it because it goes to water. So we got that. Nuts here, but we'll get that tightened up. Get our alternator in. Put our water pump pulley back on after our alternator bracket's on. Then we mount our compressor. We do our belts, and we done. Well, we gotta put coolant in it too. Everything back where it goes. Just need to put our belts on, and then we are done. Back in business.